Guys, welcome back. It's your girl again. So guys, look at this delicious juice. Today we are making a juice and we are going to be using blender to make this amazing juice. This juice will cleanse your blood and it will help you to lose weight. It will flush away bad toxins from your system. So guys, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient that we are going to be using today is beetroot. And guys, I am wearing hand gloves because beetroot is super red, and if you are not wearing a hand glove, hey, it will change the color of your nails. So beetroot boosts energy, improves brain function, balances blood pressure, detoxify the body, increases immune system, improves blood circulation, protects against heart diseases, it cleanses the blood, supports healthy skin, and encourages weight loss. So the second thing that we are going to be needing for this is plum. I know that a lot of people don't eat plum, or they prefer to eat the ones that are already dry, which sugar has been added into it. But I encourage every one of you to try this fruit. Okay, so the first thing is that you have to know that there is a seed inside. So if you are going to juice this or you're going to blend this, make sure you cut it open. Don't just throw it into your juicer. Make sure you cut it open and remove this hard seed. It is so hard that you cannot chew it. So plums helps to prevent cancer, and it fights cancer also, and it is rich in antioxidants. It improves digestion, it improves constipation, and it improves eyesight, and it helps to repair damaged cells, and it gives a healthy tissue, it strengthens the immune systems, and it is very good for weight loss. It's something that it doesn't have a lot of sugar, a lot of carbohydrates and all that. So guys, the third ingredient we are going to be using today is fig. Fig is actually one of my most, as in, I love this fruit so much. It is so delicious. Yes, it is seasonal and it is so delicious. So guys, I got just one for myself because it doesn't last so much and I don't like to store it inside the fridge. So it relieves constipation, it lowers blood pressure, rich in antioxidants, controls diabetes, prevents cancer, increases vitality, treats anemia, high in calcium. It is very good for the heart and clears toxins from the system. So guys, these are the three ingredients we are going to be using, and you are going to chop everything just the way I have chopped it, and then you add it into your blender. Guys, this fruit contains a lot of water. That means when you are blending it, especially the beetroot, you have to start blending with a little water, because we are not making smoothie, we are making juice. That means we are going to filter. So start with adding a bit water. Don't add a lot of water, so that you can get it as tiny as possible. You get a paste that will allow you to get all the nutrients out. So blend it so well, blend it very well before you filter. So guys, what I'm doing now is just to blend, and guys, I forgot the back of the fig. You don't have to peel it off, you have to also just wash and blend. Do not remove it. So guys, this is what we have here, and I'll go ahead and add more water because I am actually making a juice. I am not making smoothie. So once you get that very soft paste that you know you are able to filter, because formerly it was so thick, and when you put it into add it into the filter, you might not get enough water. Okay, so you add water into it, shake it very well before you begin to filter it. And guys, if before you filter, make sure that your filter is the one that has the tiniest hole. There are different sizes of filter. So there are filters that you're going to use, you will not be able to get the juice. You'll be like, you will get something that has still the particle and it will look like smoothie. The reason why I am always saying, okay, do not eat a lot of fiber, is because if you are just somebody like me who blends a lot, there's every possibility you have excess fiber in your body. So sometimes I make juice to reduce the fiber in my body. Okay, so guys, make sure you take your time to use a spoon to try to get all the juice out. It's not really easy to get the juice of the beetroot. It's not easy to get the juice out, so make sure you take your time, filter it very well, use just the way I am going with it. Just make sure you get all the juice out. So guys, this is it. I've gotten the juice out, but because we are making a juice, it's not smoothie, we will try to blend again. If you are making using blender to make juice, please do not just blend once, filter and throw it away. That means you are going to be throwing half of the fruit and half of the nutrients away. So normally I will blend twice. I will blend 3 times until I am sure that I have gotten all my nutrients away. The only way I will not blend twice is if I am reserving that fiber for another thing. Maybe I want to add it into the smoothie, or I want to use it for a drink or for a tea. And guys, this is the second one. You can see that it is softer. It is very, very soft now, and you can see that it has really reduced. Okay, so even as at that, I have blended it twice. I don't want to blend it third time. I want to make tea out of this, so I'm going to be cooking it. Normally I have a glass where I store fiber like this. Something like this, I will store it because I want to use it to make tea, or the day I want to quickly make smoothie, I will add it into the smoothie. So guys, this is it. And you see the water is gone. I have been able to get enough juice for myself. Okay, so go ahead, make sure you get all the water, all of it, get it out. And if possible, if you are not going to use this to make tea, if you're not going to use it to make swallow, if there's nothing that you want to do with it anymore, and you don't feel like adding it into the garden, you can as well use it to make smoothie. Just store it inside. I have a tiny glass, as you can see, where I store all the fibers, and then I use it. So this is the drink, guys. And the second water, after blending, I added water. The water that I added, I forgot to tell you guys, is warm water. Recently, I found out that it is more healthy to use warm water to make your juice. Yes, you can use cold water to blend it, but when you want to get the juice out that you're not blending anymore, you go ahead and add warm water. It is the best, honestly, especially now that everywhere is cold, and with the virus and everything, we have to try as much as possible to keep our body warm. So guys, this is the drink. I hope you enjoyed this. Look, this will do amazing. It will not only cleanse your blood, it will give you other amazing health benefits, and it's super cheap. Only 3 ingredients. You clean your blood, and then you get other health benefits. Is it not amazing? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to share. I remain your girl. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.